You are in for a fun video because it's not just me, that's also my dad in this video. And I'm going to show you, you don't need to buy new furniture. You can just adapt the furniture you already have if it doesn't work in your current house. So let's go back in time around 18 months ago when my dad was here. And I'm doing something drastic to my favorite piece of furniture. My dining table. Love this dining table. If you're on my social media, you see this table a lot. I photograph loads on it because the texture is just amazing on top of here. But in this house, I don't think the table works. I think it's too long and narrow, which worked perfectly in the previous house because that room was long and narrow. But here I think we can do better with a more circular, oval sized table. This table though, I bought it about 7 years ago for a tenner in a reclamation yard. It's an old school trestle table, and at the time I just fixed the legs in place and painted them white and made them a bit more stable. Which was great. So for a tenner, I've had an amazing dining table, and I want to keep using it. I want to keep using this table because the texture is just beautiful. I don't want to get rid of it. I don't think it works. So what I want to do, I want to turn this table into a more oval, circular shaped table. Because why buy a new table when you have a really good one in your dining room? Because I don't just want to chop my table up without knowing if it's going to work. I've done a little scale model here out of paper. So this is my table right now on scale. What I'm going to do, what I did with the paper, I cut the paper in half. I'm going to chop the table in half and join these two sides together like this. I build a frame underneath it, keeping the two pieces together, and then put new table legs on. Of course, I don't want to have a square in my room, so we're just going to chop the corners off, creating something like this. A bit like a circular oval kind of thing. I also don't want to lose any space on the table because at the moment 8 people can sit around the table quite comfortably. So I've done some calculations and I think we can still fit 8 people. Might be a bit more of a squeeze, well not squeeze, maybe not as comfortable as now, but it's going to look way nicer in the room. And most of the time it's just the 3 of us, so we don't need that much space, but I think this is going to look way nicer.
Why are you bringing it outside? I have lots of room.
Dance break! Whee! Table's gonna have new legs, and I have either a hairpin leg option in mint green left over or this wooden table leg. I think I'm just gonna build a table and then see what looks best. Nou, dankjewel hè, paps.
Doei.
Did you like the little sneak peek you had there of the lounge decor? Because so much has changed since I done the table, and you're gonna see more of that in future videos. I have all been filming it, but as you notice, I haven't been updating loads. I am posting quite a lot of shorts at the moment though. So hit the notification bell, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, not to miss out of any of my future videos. But yeah, table, how much better is it in like an oval shape? We had it for a year and a half now, and it's so much better. Okay, we lost a little bit of space. I know I said in the video we could fit 8 around it. I think it's more 6. 6 very comfortably. You could put 8 at the squeeze, but then you have to eat with like little T-Rexes because not much space. But like I said, it's mainly just the 3 of us. We have guests over, but we don't really have more than 6 to 8 people there. And if we do, we just grab another table and put it in the room as well. But yeah, hope to see you soon here on Handmade Home, because I got lots to show you of all the room makeovers.